Hello friends, today in this lecture we are going to learn about another sets of formulas which is multiple angles, right? Means twice x, 3x for cos 2x, then sin 2x, then tan 2x, then sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 3x, right? So multiple submultiple angles formula we are going to learn. So first set is cos twice x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos twice x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. And cos 2x is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So you have to remember, आपको ये सब याद रखना है कि cos 2x है उसका फॉर्मूला cos square minus sin square x भी होता है. Cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, and last one cos twice x is 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now we know that you have one formula for cos, that is cos x plus y. So you have formula cos x plus y. ये मैं आपको कैसे याद रखना वो दिखा रहा हूं. तो क्या हुआ, कुछ प्रॉब्लम आया, आप एग्जाम में भूल गए, आपको पता नहीं हुआ क्या कौन सी फॉर्मूला थी. ये 1 minus 2 sin square होता है या 2 sin square x minus 1. You are not knowing at that time. If you know how to derive this formula, then it will be very useful to you. So you know cos x plus y. The formula for cos x plus y will be cos x cos y. If plus, then minus. So minus sin x sin y. This is the formula for cos x plus y. Now we want cos twice x. So how we get here twice x? If we replace y by x, so replacing y by x, we get, so I am substituting x instead of y. What we get? Cos x plus x is equal to cos x cos x minus sin x into sin x. So this is cos x plus x, that is twice x. So therefore cos twice x is equal to cos x into cos x is cos square x. So this is cos square x minus sin x into sin x is sin square x. So this is your first formula. Cos twice x is cos square x minus sin square x. So this is your first formula, right? Now again, this is your formula. Cos twice x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. Now for second formula, we doesn't require sin here. We require terms in cos only. So replacing sin square. Now for replacing sin square in cos, formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So I am writing this cos square x minus sin square x is 1 minus cos square x, that you know. Applying this formula, sin square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. So applying this formula, sin square x is 1 minus cos square x. So open up this bracket. What we get? Cos square x minus 1 plus cos square x. So this is 2 times cos square x minus 1. So this is 2 times cos square x minus 1. That is, second formula is cos twice x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So cos twice x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. That means formula of cos in term of cos. Formula of cos twice x in term of cos is 2 cos square minus 1. Now third formula is in term of sin square x. So taking again you have formula cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. And remember one thing also, dear, that we have cos square minus sin square is cos twice x, and cos square plus sin square is cos square plus sin square, then plus 1. But cos square minus sin square, this is important. Cos square minus sin square is cos twice x. That you have to remember, right? And again, now third formula we require in terms of sine. So in terms of sine means we doesn't require cos. So if we replace cos, then answer is 1 minus sin square x. So I am substituting instead of cos square x 1 minus sin square x here. So what we get? This is 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. So this is 1 minus 2 times sin square x. That is, third formula is cos twice x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. So this is your third formula. So remember one formula only, that is this one. Cos twice x is cos square x minus sin square x. Remember this thing. Cos twice x is cos square x minus sin square x. Right? Now you need in terms of cos. Then you have formula 2 cos square x minus 1. So means you don't want sine, you change the sine in cos. If you don't want cos, so change cos into sine. That is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Right? Now last one, 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square x. Right? So again, you have a formula. Only one basic formula is this. Cos 2x is cos square minus sin square. You have to remember this. राइट ये डबल है वो सिंगल हो जाता है. सो मल्टीपल सब मल्टीपल एंगल इसको बोलते हैं हम लोग. राइट? सो cos twice x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x. This is your formula. Right? Can I write like this? This is upon 1. Okay? Now 1 is only one identity you have is sin square x plus cos square x. So substituting 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x here. What we get? Cos square x minus sin square x whole upon cos square x plus sin square x. Right? Now dividing each term by cos square x. Right? Dividing each term by cos square x. Dividing each terms by cos square x not equal to 0, we get, right, cos square x not equal to 0, we get, this is cos 2x as it is, so cos 2x is equal to, now cos square x upon cos square x, that is 1, so this is 1 minus sin upon cos, sin square upon cos square, that is tan square x, so this is tan square x whole upon cos square x upon cos square x, that is 1 and plus sin square upon cos square, that is 10, so this is tan square x, right, where x is not equal to, n pi plus pi by 2, n pi plus pi by 2, right? N is integer, where n is integer. So your fourth formula is cos twice x is equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So this is your fourth formula, right? So remember, cos 2x, only one formula is cos square x minus sin square x. This is your standard formula that you have to remember, right? And after changing sine into cos, cos into sine, and dividing by cos square, you will get all four formulas, right? So main formula is cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Second formula for cos twice x is 2 cos square x minus 1. Third formula is 1 minus 2 sin square, that is in terms of sine. And in terms of tan, formula of cos 2x in terms of tan is 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square. Sometimes some students remember this formula is cos 2 theta or 2x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, where t is tan x. Okay, so cos 2x is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, right? Now we can see for the formula for sine twice x. So now sine twice x. Formula for sine twice x is 2 sine x cos x, and in terms of tan, 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. That is 2t upon 1 plus t square. 2t upon 1 plus t square, where t is tan x, right? So now this is sine twice x we have to prove. Now we have one formula. We have one formula for sine x plus y, that is sine x plus y is sine x cos y, and if plus is there, then answer is plus cos x sine y, that you know, right? So plus cos x sine y. Now what we require here, sine twice x. So how we get here twice x? If we replace y by x. So replacing y by x, we get, so writing x instead of y here and here also, so we get sine x plus x is equal to sine x cos x plus cos x sine x, that is sine twice x is equal to, this is sine x cos x, again sine x into cos x, so 2 times sine x into cos x, so this is 2 times sine x into cos x. So that is the formula that we want to derive, right? So sine twice x is 2 sine x into cos x. Why cos 2x is cos square x minus sine square x. In terms of cos, 2 cos square x minus 1, as we see previously, and in terms of sine, 1 minus 2 sine square x, and cos 2x in terms of tan is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, while sine twice x in terms of tan is 2t upon 1 plus t square. That you have to remember. Now we have to prove this formula, that is we require in 10 terms of 10. So again you have formula, that is this formula is sine twice x is 2 sine x into cos x. So this is in denominator 1. So denominator is 1, that is sine square x plus cos square x, as we did earlier. So we are writing here 2 sine x into cos square x, cos x upon sine square x plus cos square x, right? Now dividing each terms by cos square x, right? Not equal to 0. So dividing each terms by cos square x not equal to 0, we get sine twice x is equal to, now dividing this, that is 2 sine x cos x, see 2 sine x cos x whole upon cos square x, right? Whole upon, I am writing here like this because I want equal sign here. So sine twice x, right? Sine square upon cos square x. So sine square x upon cos square x, and plus cos square x upon cos square x. So cos square x upon cos square x, right? So this is, now 1 cos will be cut. So 2 sine upon cos, that is tan x. So this is 2 tan x whole upon, I am writing this cos square upon cos square, that is 1, and plus sine square upon cos square is tan square. So 1 plus tan square x. So this is the formula in terms of tan, 2t upon 1 plus t square, that is 2 tan x upon 1 plus 10 square x. Now 10 twice x. You have one formula. We have for 10 we have formula 10x plus y. So 10x plus y is, that is a very known formula for you now, because you use this formula to solve the questions. So 10x plus y is 10x plus 10y, right? So formula for this is 10x plus 10y whole upon 1 minus 10x into 10y. Now what we require here? We require twice x. So how we get here? Replacing y by x. So replacing y by x, we get 10x plus x. 10x plus x is equal to 10x plus 10x whole upon 1 minus 10x into 10x, 1 minus 10x into 10x, that is 10 twice x is equal to 10x plus 10x. 10x plus 10x, that is 2 times 10x. So 2 times 10x whole upon 1 minus 10 square x. 1 minus 10 square x, right? So these are the formula that we want to prove. This is the formula. So these all formulas are very important for your further studies, okay? And it's a very useful formula for learning calculus, right? That is differentiation, integration, continuity, limit. You will require this formula frequently. So remember, first formula, main formula is cos twice x, right? As we saw earlier, cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x. Now cos 2x formula in terms of cos, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. In terms of sin, that is 1 minus 2 sin square, and in terms of 10 is 1 minus t square upon 1 plus t square, that is 1 minus 10 square upon 1 plus 10 square. Then for sin twice x, and remember one thing, if this is twice x, then this become half, angle reduced to half. So sin twice x is 2 sin x cos x. Sin twice x is 2 sin x cos x, only one formula, and in terms of 10 is 2t upon 1 plus t square, that is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus 10 square theta, either 2 tan square x or 2 tan x upon 1 plus 10 square x. You can say anything, x, theta, y, whatever you like, right? And for tan twice x, formula is sin is 2 tan x upon cos tan x is 1 minus 10 square. So 2t upon 1 minus t square, that is 2 tan x upon 1 minus 10 square x is the formula for tan twice x. So you have to remember this all formula, right?